Good evening, ladies. Ang gaganda nyo naman.
Good evening.
Balik nyo sa akin.
Pogi mo na.
Ayan.
That's my style.
Ang game natin is called Complete the Christmas Song. Last Christmas, I gave you my...
Heart. The very next day, you gave it away.
Very good. Okay, next one. Ang Pasko ay sumapit.
Tayo ay magsiyawit. Finish. Hindi ko na po.
Okay, correct. Sige. Sa may bahay, ang aming bati.
Merry Christmas, tawawalhati.
So mukhang nangangaroling to sana yung mga aroling. Silent night, holy night.
Yun lang. Alam ko ba yung tono, pero hindi ko alam yung lyrics.
Parang naging nursery rhyme. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Grabe, ang hirap nun, no? Ang hirap. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open.
Slay.
Ano yung parang tuwing papasok ka sa headblocks, parang excited na excited?
Actually, yung makita yung katrabaho ko. Kasi po, yung parang kami magkakapatid. So, parang yung harutan po namin, sobrang sobrang gaan po ng feeling mag-work. Parang kang hindi nag-work, pero nag-work. Bukod sa sahod.
Bukod sa sahod.
Ano ba? Syempre, yung mga teammates ko na super gaan kasama sa work. And of course, yung mga creative challenges na hindi nakaka-bore, yung parang hindi siya yung repetitive yung ginagawa. So,
Ikaw naman, ma'am.
Copy-paste.
Copy-paste.
Yung
Same.
Yun, teammates rin talaga. And like the people in Health Blocks talaga. Talagang lahat kami, may special bond. Lahat kami, parang sobrang light every time na papasok ka sa Health Blocks. Kasi alam mo kung pwede mong lapitan kung sino man in any department talaga.
Halos lahat ba kilala nyo sa health block?
Yes.
Ikaw naman, ma'am.
Siguro to add lang sa sinabi nila Miss Navi and Mayan, same lang din yung teammates kasi parang anywhere you go, kahit anong work, mahirap. Pero sobrang gaan pumasok dahil talagang tulungan. Parang aside from supporting yung client, support namin isa't isa.
Siguro for me is parang everyday nakikitaan ko ng opportunities to grow. Kahit sa mga simple things lang na get together with the other departments, malalaman mo yung process nila, and then na-apply mo rin siya dun sa kung paano makaka-help lalo dun sa daily operation mo rin on your own department. So yun yung opportunity talaga.
Sa kabilang sales, so parang kailangan talaga alam nyo yung other departments na ginagawa.
Yes,
Ikaw naman, ma'am.
Ako naman siguro kasi sa Health Blocks meron kaming healthy working environment. So, ayun, isa rin siya sa parang motivation pumasok everyday. And also, yun din, parang yung operations nagiging smooth syempre, and also nagiging connected and nakakaband din yung ibang department.
Siguro sa akin, yung mismong team. Kasi sobrang nai-enjoy ko yung vibes nila. And also, yung work din. Since nga intern, sobrang eager to learn. And I think yung bonding kasi ng team yung pinaka nakaka-excite sa mismong ginagawa.
For sales, para mas malaking pera yung makukuha ko by next year. Incentives, gano'n.
Next year, hybrid na.
Okay. So kasi sila minsan sa field, minsan sa bahay lang.
Kasi is, on-site po talaga.
On-site ka. So, next one, ladies. Ano ang New Year's resolution ninyo na i-apply nyo sa health blocks?
Siguro parang wag masyadong parang tapusin lahat, sabay-sabay lahat. Siguro parang better prioritization, better assessment kung ano yung pinaka-prioritize sa dapat tapusin hanggang sa take it slow and steady hanggang sa ma-accomplish lahat ng mga deliverables.
Okay. So parang ayaw mo na mag-multitask.
Tama, hindi totoo yun.
So may mga priority ka mga task yan. Ikaw naman, ma'am.
Sa akin siguro, lesson yung pag-overthink sa lahat ng natatrabaho. Kasi when you try to overthink, talagang dun papasok na ma-overwhelm ka with your work. Pero if you try to, yun nga, sabi rin ni Miss Nabs na take one step at a time lang para ma-focusan mo yung kung ano talaga yung dapat ma-prioritize. So,
Alright, ikaw naman ba?
Ako talaga parang work smart, know what to prioritize, and parang don't be afraid to voice out your opinions, especially if makaka-help naman siya for the greater good of the department and all other departments. So,
Ika nga, constructive criticism is a good one.
Ako siguro as in, mas mag-strive harder ako, especially sa sales department, medyo mas mabigat yung task for me and I really want na yung health blocks is to really grow or to expand to different market din. So ako siguro as in, push harder and siguro mas more effort than before. So para lagi, syempre more money for us, yan yun.
Okay naman. Ikaw naman, ma'am.
Siguro same sa kanya na parang to push more or to push harder. Para rin, ang pinaka-New Year's resolution ko siguro is parang mabit ko kung ano yung mga na-achieve ko this year.
So what will be your message to your Health Blocks family?
More blessings to come for the whole company and para po sa lahat ng mga employees din. Tsaka sana maging mas matibay pa yung bond namin as family and as company.
I'm really grateful for everybody na who treated me as a family sa lahat ng department kahit mas mataas sa akin na mas mababa. I didn't feel like I was alone so lahat sila naging ano sa akin. So I'm really grateful to everyone and I love you everybody.
Super grateful ako sa inyong lahat na parang hindi lang tayo colleague dito, we're family, na parang mapagsasabihan natin din ng personal matters yung isa't isa. And also thank you for all the bonds and also for giving me a healthy working environment.
Hi guys! So thank you sa happy vibes na parang everything and also for being so approachable and friendly po sa akin. Yun lang. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, Health Blocks!
Merry Christmas, Health Blocks!
Merry Christmas, Health Blocks!
Merry Christmas, Health Blocks!
Merry Christmas, Health Blocks!